We are going to learn how to take a Forex trade using QuickTrade's MT5. I sent out a trade with the CADJPY to the premium WhatsApp group. And as you can see, I'm going long by the CADJPY, a W formation formed. There's an entry, stop loss, take profit, and it's a high probability trade. Okay, so we're going to use these values to put it into the calculator. So now we're going to fill in the information in the position size calculator MT5 for Forex. This is in the second tab. As you can see, the first tab is for Velocity Trader. The second tab is for the Forex MetaTrader 5. So the portfolio value will set at 35,000 Rand. The risk percentage per CFD is 2%. The Forex trade, remember there's a drop down. We're trading the CADJPY, so it is yes with JPY. The Forex market is the CAD, and next to that is the JPY. The type of trade is a buy. The minimum quantity is 0.01. The initial margin per trade is 65.40 Rand. The entry price is 116.09. The stop loss price is 112.95. And the take profit price is 122.13. Now, very important. We now need to put in the exchange rates. So to do this, we're going to use Google. So as you can see, we need the CAD ZAR and we need the JPY ZAR. So we'll go to Google and type in CAD ZAR 13.07. And we'll type in JPY ZAR, which is 0.11. Now you can see the gearing is 232. The initial margin per CFD is 0.43%. The initial margin per CFD is 65 Rand 40, similar to over here where it says initial margin per CFD. The initial margin total CFD, so you're going to pay 130 Rand and 80 cents for this trade. We know that the risk in trade is 314 pips or 3.14 JPY. The risk value per CFD or the pip value is 1 Rand and 10 cents. So every point that the market moves against or for you, you will gain 1 Rand and 10 cents. So the risk in trade per CFD is 345 Rand and 40 cents, but we know that we can risk more. So the risk in total trade for the number of CFDs that we can trade will be risking 690 Rand and 80 cents, which is very close to the 700 Rand, which means that the position size that we are going to be typing into our MetaTrader 5 platform is 0.02. We'll click and hold the CADJPY and throw it onto this chart. Now it's time to take the trade. So either you can click on New Order over here, or you can right click and click New Order over here. The volume is 0.02. It's very close to our entry price, so we'll click on Market Execution, which means it will enter at the market price currently. The stop loss price is 112.95. The take profit price is 122.13. And we'll click on Buy Markets. Then your trade will trigger and you're in your trade. Now you know how to trade the cross currency like the CADJPY using QuickTrade's MT5.